Hi superstars! Happy you are here with us. In this story today, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 12 divided by 12 over 42, then times 42. First we do this multiplication. 12 over 42 times 42. We can easily cancel this 42 and this 42. So here we have this 12 only, and 12 divided by 12 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 12 divided by 12 over 42. To do this division, write down the 12, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 42 over 12. And here again we have times 42. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 12 and this 12, which gives 42. And here again we have times 42. So here we have this 42 times 42, which equals 1764. And this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.